I created NSRepeater as I found that when using Swift, the NSTimer doesn't work when your delegate object doesn't derive from NSObject. This was fine in Objective-C, as all of our classes had to use NSObject, but with Swift generally we don't need to, as we don't need the runtime support that it provides. So it seems quite wasteful and bloated to subclass NSObject just to get a timer working. You can see here the code required to set up a basic repeating timer using NSTimer. I've never been keen on separating the creation of the timer and the code that needs to be executed. And as you can see, there's the required NSObject subclassing. This example is just printing out hello world every 5 seconds. There are two main advantages to using NSRepeater. Firstly, your class won't have to subclass NSObject, and secondly, in using blocks, you can position the code to be executed where it is most relevant, and you can freely use local scope variables in the code that's going to be executed, which saves passing things around in the user info dictionary. A quick look and you can see that NSRepeater is quite easy to use, so make sure you import the framework. I use CocoaPods to manage my dependencies, so to use just add NSRepeater to your pod file.
So if you like this video, please subscribe to theappblueprint.com on YouTube. Also, you can find more information about the App Blueprint on theappblueprint.com. I'm also part of a consortium of other developers where we create apps for iOS in Swift. That's at londonswift.com. And my personal website is darrendavidtaylor.com, when you can find out more information about my training and other services.